Have you ever wanted to edit your website, but got scared of all that confusing code? What if I told you that now AI can do most of that work for you, even if you don't know a single line of HTML or CSS? Yes, AI is making website editing easier than ever before. Step 1. Understanding AI website editing. Artificial intelligence has completely changed the way websites are created and maintained. In the past, even a small design change meant dealing with complicated code and endless lines of HTML and CSS. But with AI, you can now simply describe what you want, like make the header blue or add a contact form, and it instantly updates your site. AI tools understand natural language, so instead of typing code, you just communicate your ideas. This makes web editing faster, smarter, and accessible to everyone. Step 2. Using AI-powered website builders. Modern AI tools like Wix ADI, Framer AI, and Durable AI have made website editing effortless. These platforms ask you a few questions about your business and design preferences, then automatically create a professional-looking site for you. Even if you already have a website, AI can help you redesign it by analyzing your layout and suggesting better structures, color schemes, or even improved content placement. Tools like Hostinger AI Builder or 10Web.io go a step further. They let you tweak your site visually while AI writes the code behind the scenes. Step 3. Editing website code with AI assistance. If you want to dive into the actual code, tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, or Replit Ghostwriter are incredibly powerful. You can copy a piece of your code, paste it in, and simply say what you want to change. Maybe fix this navigation bar or make this section responsive for mobile. The AI instantly edits or rewrites your code, explains the changes, and ensures that everything works smoothly. It's like having an expert web developer sitting right beside you, guiding every step. Step 4. AI for debugging and problem solving. One of the most frustrating parts of web development is debugging, finding and fixing errors. Luckily, AI makes this painless. If your site isn't working properly, just paste the broken code into an AI assistant and ask, "What's wrong with this?" The AI will not only identify the error, but fix it and explain what caused it. This helps beginners learn coding logic while saving professionals hours of troubleshooting time. Step 5. AI for design and content creation. AI isn't just a coding tool. It's also your creative partner. It can suggest the perfect color palette, typography, and layout that fit your brand's style. You can use Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, or Midjourney to generate banners, graphics, or icons that match your website's theme. At the same time, tools like Jasper AI or WriteSonic can generate SEO-friendly website copy, product descriptions, and blog content. This makes your site not only beautiful, but also engaging and optimized for visitors. Step 6. AI for performance and SEO optimization. AI also helps your website perform better. Tools like Surfer SEO, RankIQ, and Google Gemini analyze your content, loading speed, and user experience to suggest improvements. They can recommend better keywords, faster image formats, and even predict what type of content will perform best for your audience. By using AI, you ensure your site stays fast, responsive, and highly visible on search engines. Step 7. AI as your personal web development assistant. The best part about AI is that it learns from your habits. As you keep using these tools, AI starts to understand your preferences, your favorite colors, design patterns, and writing style. Eventually, it can predict what you want before you even ask. You can even integrate AI chatbots into your website to automatically update content, assist customers, or gather feedback. It's like having a full-time assistant who never sleeps and keeps improving your online presence. Step 8. The future of AI in web editing. Whether you're a beginner or a business owner, AI gives you the tools to bring your vision to life. You no longer need to rely on technical expertise or expensive agencies. All you need is creativity and the right AI companion. The future of web design is fast, interactive, and beautifully intelligent. Outro. So next time you think about editing your website, remember, you don't need to code everything yourself. Just talk to AI, describe your vision, and watch it turn your ideas into a living, breathing website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI-powered tips.